In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert strings to integers using Power Automate. This is a handy skill that can streamline your data processing tasks by transforming text-based numbers into actual numeric form, allowing you to perform calculations and other operations effortlessly. To start, we'll need to open the Power Automate desktop application on your computer. Once you have the application open, the first thing you want to do is create a new flow. Locate the New Flow option and give it a click. You'll be prompted to provide a name for your flow. For this demonstration, let's call it String to Integer Flow. After naming your flow, click Create to set it up. Now, our task is to initialize a string variable, which is the piece of text we'll be converting into an integer. To do this, head over to the Actions pane and search for Set Variable. Once you find it, drag this Set Variable action into the center workspace. Here you'll see fields to fill out. In the Variable Name field, type in Input String. Then in the Value field, enter the string that you wish to convert. For this example, let's use the string 1234. Next, we will add the all-important step: Convert text to number. Still in the Actions pane, search for Convert Text to Number and drag this action into the workspace, making sure to place it directly beneath the previous action. In this action settings, you'll find a text field. You'll want to select %InputString% as this represents the variable you've just set. Then, in the Result field, type Output Number, which will be the variable where your converted integer will be stored. Now that we have our integer, you might be wondering how we can use it. As an illustration, let's display the integer in a message box. Go back to the Actions pane and look for Display Message. Drag this action into the main workspace. In the message field that appears, simply enter %output number sent. This will allow the flow to display the converted integer in a pop-up message box as it runs. With everything set up, let's ensure our work is saved. Click Save to preserve your flow configuration. Finally, to see your flow in action, click Run. If everything is set up correctly, a message box should appear on your screen displaying the integer value you've converted from the string. And there you have it. You've just learned how to convert strings to integers using Power Automate. This simple yet effective capability opens up possibilities for data manipulation, enabling you to better manage and utilize numerical data in your automated workflows. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps enhance your Power Automate experience.